a nearly incomprehensible tangle of legal issues. For Trump, courtrooms look like campaign stops as he tested the judicial system. Donald J. Trump has relentlessly sought to postpone his trials until after the election. Former President Donald J. Trump sped in and out of the federal courthouse in Fort Pierce, Florida on Monday for a closed-door hearing in the case accusing him of illegally holding on to classified documents after he left office. In Washington, the Supreme Court received a filing that same day from Mr. Trump involving his last-ditch efforts to claim immunity from separate charges of plotting to overturn the 2020 election. The judge in Georgia overseeing the case accusing him of seeking to overturn his election loss in the state will hold a hearing on Thursday about whether to disqualify the district attorney who filed the charges. And in New York, two proceedings related to Mr. Trump was set to take place later in the week on 2 consecutive days in 2 different courthouses, just 2 blocks from each other, with major implications for both him and his real estate business. That is how it has been for nearly a year, as Mr. Trump has become ensnared in a web of legal cases so tangled that it almost defies comprehension. The panoply of proceedings amounts to a test of the judicial system's capacity to handle a range of criminal and civil accusations against once and potentially future president fairly, efficiently, and against the backdrop of a campaign in which he has made his treatment a central issue.